Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried lobster tail. First, choose fresh lobster tails, ideally weighing between 6 and 8 ounces each for the best results. Next, you'll want to prepare your seasoned flour mixture. This coating is crucial for a crispy exterior. Finally, heat your frying oil to exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures the lobster cooks perfectly without becoming greasy or tough. Let's get started. Once you have your fresh lobster tails, it's time for preparation. Carefully butterfly each tail by cutting lengthwise down the center of the top shell, stopping just before the fan. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat up and over the shell, resting it on top. This presentation is beautiful and helps the lobster cook evenly. Finally, pat the lobster meat very dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving a truly crispy crust. Now for the frying. First, dredge your prepared lobster tails. Dip them in the seasoned flour, then into an egg wash, and finally back into the flour for a double coating. Carefully place the coated tails into the preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oil. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, remove and drain them on a wire rack to ensure they stay crispy. To enjoy your delicious fried lobster, serve it immediately while it's hot and crispy. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a side of melted butter are classic accompaniments that truly enhance the flavor. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. It adds a pop of color and freshness. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.